Greetings and salutations, my name is Tish and welcome to the Art of Saving. In this pour, we are going to be using this palette in a bottle bottom reverse dip pour. I've got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. I will put a list with links to all the paints that I'm using in this pour today down in the description box below. This is part of our Friday night Flip Cup color palette challenge, and if you'd like to join in, I will put a link in the description to our community tab where you can keep up to date on what's going on with that. So let's get our base coat on, let's get our colors on, and let's do this pour. If you enjoyed this video, please share this out on the interwebs and help our channel grow so we can bring more art to more great people. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you. Remember, be kind to one another. Peace, love, and happiness.